We have come here for the first time for Purple Fest. Actually, she's heard about Purple Fest before also, and we have heard that Purple Fest had 7 days the previous year, and it's been 2 years since Purple Fest has started. And we were very eager to come here. We have a service stall. It's Club Youngest Son, so we do a lot of online and offline activities. So we've been having a wonderful time with this. Yes.
So we are Club Youngistan. My name is Pratima. I'm the founder of Club Youngistan and she is a co-founder, Vidya. So we are here for the first time and the stall is about our services mainly. So we are doing online and offline activities, offline in Pune and online anywhere you can join. So activities like dance, fitness, art and craft, yoga, all those activities are going on, and it is mainly for socializing and bonding activity for neurodivergent. So I started this because my son has global developmental delay. He's 22 years now, and this we started in 2020. So making friends and all. So we have seen in this 5 years that they have made very good bond and very good friendship. So in that sense, we have achieved a lot. So this is about it, and a few activities that our group does. So art and craft and all. So they are into they are the entrepreneurs and having their own entrepreneurship. So they are making a few items. So we have just brought these items to sell. So we are very glad to be in this Purple Fest, and overall experience has been really very good. We have been getting so many networking facility here and meeting people and all. It's a really great experience. You want to say something?
So it's been, this is the first time, as I said, we have come, and it's really been a great experience. I really appreciate the efforts behind Purple Fest, behind what the government has done, because getting everybody under one platform, under one roof, it's not a very easy thing to do, and it's a very good thought. I think it's a very visionary thought to have this kind of a platform. And I'm seeing people are socializing, and people with who have challenges are feeling so comfortable with themselves. The way the ramp is being built, the way the rickshaws are, or the way the buses are being modified, and I'm really loving the experience, and I'm really.
We are very thrilled to have Sitare Zameen Par crew yesterday. So all of them came here in our stall, played the games, and they were also very happy with these badges. Also, they liked, because we made these badges when we did in Pune, that's Sitare Zameen Par ka screening, and we have given these badges to our kids who had joined for the movie, and they were very thrilled to see all this, and we were very happy. Like yesterday, we were like, wow, we had something here.
Yeah.
That
So basically, Ashish Pense is been a part of Club Youngest Son for a while now, and we were looking forward to meeting him. So he came yesterday, and he's part of the crew of Sitare Zameen Par, and he also told the other friends, and we went and met them and told them to actually come, and requested them to come to our stall, and it was really nice and to see how grounded they are, and they all came, and it was also nice to see how they were happy with these batches, that we gave, and played games with us. So it was really nice. Thank you so much for that.